How to fix Discord voice chat and mic not working on Android? This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get your microphone working again in Discord. First, go to your home screen and long press on the Discord app icon and tap App Info. After that, tap on Permissions and find the microphone permission. Make sure it is set to Allow only while using the app or Allow at all times. From there, go back to App Info and tap on Battery and set it to Unrestricted, so Discord can run freely in the background without being interrupted in the background. At this point, go back to App Info and tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that may be affecting the voice function. In the next step, open the Discord app and tap on the U tab at the bottom right corner. Following this, tap the settings icon at the top right and scroll down to find Voice and Video and tap on it. Once done, make sure the correct microphone input is selected and tap on the Reset Voice Settings option to clear any misconfigured audio settings. From here, go back and join a voice channel to test if your mic is working properly now. At this stage, if the issue persists, open the Play Store, search for Discord, and tap Update if one is available. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device and apply all the changes. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the voice chat and mic issue on Discord on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.